Hey there, Wall Street winners. It is Saturday, May 25th. If you are in the United States, I hope you are having a great Memorial Day long weekend. Just wanted to touch upon a couple of things over the weekend heading into next week. I'm looking for the overall market narrative to start changing as we're getting through earnings season, even though there are still a few companies, Salesforce being one, Adobe another, and obviously others yet to report for the quarter. But I expect the narrative to start to change. I start to anticipate hearing messages more about the postponement of the Fed in their reduction of interest rates, more talk of inflation and inflation numbers, looking at whether it's coming down, whether it's coming down enough, whether it's going up, all of that narrative. As well, I expect we're going to start to hear more about the U.S. election and the fight between two senior citizens for one of the most powerful positions in the world. All of that said, I subscribe to this email from Simply Wall Street, and Simply Wall Street has come out with a watch list based on what I look at in my portfolio, and both Google and Valero are listed as being undervalued, Google by 19.1% and Valero by 23.3%. So although crude has been down and is down right now, it'll be interesting to see if we start hearing about some consumption numbers after the long weekend, because as we start the summer long weekend and kind of, we'll call it holiday travel, summer travel schedule, Americans tend to spend a great deal of time in their cars in the summer, which consumes a great deal of fuel. And if that is the case, then we should see a potential uptick in Valero and some of the other oil and oil refining stocks, which is my bet kind of going into the summer and through to September. But I do expect that within the month of June, prior to earnings coming out in July, I think we're going to see a bit of a market correction and pullback based on some of the narrative changes that I'm anticipating in the market. So I am trying to free up some cash and have some cash on the sidelines for the month of June and take my profits now and look at buying in on a dip to some of these great names, Google and Valero being two of those great names that I'm a big believer in. So that's the update for this weekend. Again, I hope you're enjoying the long weekend. If you're liking these videos, please subscribe and tell someone about them. Hit the like button and leave me a comment.